Boom, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Panu from TechDude, and today we are going to unbox best budget monitor under 15k rupees. So here we go, and let us roll the intro. If you are new to this channel, drop a like, drop a comment and subscribe my channel TechDude. So this is a box from Samsung, and this is a best monitor under 15k, and here you can see there is a Samsung branding over here. And let us start this side because all these things behind is messy. So here if you see, let me flip the camera screen.
We are experiencing technical difficulties. Please stand by.
So as you can see, this is an box. Oh God, let me zoom it in a bit. There you go. And talking about here is, as you can see, Samsung branding over here, a G3 Odyssey G3. As you can see, it comes with 165 hertz refresh rate, and it has 1 ms of response time, which is quicker. And as you can see, it comes with AMD FreeSync. As you can also see, it has an ergonomic design as well. It has borderless design, which is a new kind of design, and it supports Samsung desk as well as it supports Mac, Windows, etc. It comes with super eye saver mode, and there are also the same specs on the left side of the box and the right side of the box. And let us see what is on the bottom of the box. As you can see, at the bottom of the box here you can see the serial number as well as the MRP on the box is 20k, but we got it on 15k or less than 15k or in Amazon space. And there you go. Let me switch the camera angle. There you go, I'm opening the box. So as you can see, here are the things which comes in the box. First of all, let us remove this off. Okay, this is an extender. So as you can see, and this is one more extender actually. You can just simply peel it off, no need to worry and stuff. So this fits like this. Yeah, this is gonna fit like this. Okay, the plastic is pretty good. And here you can see there is a pouch. In this pouch you can see DP cable. As you can see, the cable quality is also good, and this is a DP cable. And here is a power brick. So as you can see, this power brick is pretty sleek, as well as I want to see wattage on here. It comes with 25 wattage, and you will get a 2-pin plug, which you have to insert over here. Just plug it in and keep this and this are the trash kind of things. And here you can see the monitor stand. So slowly I'm gonna remove this monitor stand. As you can see, this is how it is gonna look, the stand, where you have to insert it and you have to tighten the screw from the behind. So, and after removing this casing, I feel like there is a monitor, so we have to be pretty careful about it. And before I'm gonna see, and there is a thermocol here which you can remove it, and we will get one more fucking stand. Oh fucking god. And there you go, you get one more stand which is movable, so you can adjust the angles as per your choice. And this is how it's gonna look. and the build quality is pretty decent. You will get a sleeve for cable management right over here. Let's keep it aside, and let's remove the thermocol casing. So there is nothing much. As you can see, the final thing is the monitor. So let us remove it carefully. And I wonder where the user manuals are, but it is what it is. So as you know, we don't care about user manuals and stuff. So let's remove this, and first of all, take your monitor stand, the base plate, okay, then take this thing. So let us keep it in center, yeah, then align with this, and after aligning, tight this thing up. You need a flat screwdriver, but for demonstration purpose I just did that. Let me get my flat screwdriver. This is a flat screwdriver. Yeah, it's done for now, and let us grab this monitor carefully. Okay. Then remove the polythene cutting, and this is how it's gonna look like from behind. And as you can see, there are two HDMI ports, one power input, as well as one headphone jack and one service port. So on the front, you can see the bezels, which are thin, and as you can see, this is how it looks at the bottom. The bottom cheek is bezel is bit bigger. So carefully we are gonna place this on the plastic sheet. After carefully doing this, you have to align the monitor stand carefully and press upwards or downwards, and then you have to take this plastic cushion over. It's wobbling like hell, and then you have to place it like this for the aesthetic purposes, I guess. Simple, clean, elegant, but it is not fitting properly. There you go. So this is how it gonna look. You can adjust as per your wish or size. So let's plug in the monitor and let us check out whether this is working out or not. So now we'll get an idea. I guess the video quality is great. There is no dotted pixels or something. So there you go. So here is the conclusion, guys. Talking about the monitor, let us talk about 3 pros and 3 cons. First of all, it comes with a high refresh rate, which is the first pro, and it comes with 175 Hz refresh rate, which provides smoother gameplay and reducing motion blur, which is an excellent for fast-paced gaming, or if you are a fan of FPS games, definitely get this monitor. And second, it is an best entry-level budget monitor. Considering the budget, this monitor offers too much too much. So if you are tight on budget, definitely go for it. Comes with AMD FreeSync support. With FreeSync compatibility, G3 helps in screen tearing as well as stuttering during the gameplay. And talking about the cons, it is just a 1080p monitor. Those who are looking for 2K monitors or 4K monitors, this is not for them. And talking about the viewing angles, sometimes the viewing angles are not that great when you open the curtains of your windows on the daylight. You will see little bit of brightness shift, or you can't see the colors properly. You can adjust the monitor any way you want. You can even adjust the height, angle. If you are playing FPS games, this monitor is for you, definitely, if you are under budget, because you can adjust the height as well as angles, which gives you better experience while playing games. And these are the both pros and cons this device has. So if you are new to this channel, drop a like, drop a comment and subscribe my channel. Take it, signing off your tech.